Hello and welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be working on kth distinct string and array. And this one's really easy. So in this one you have an array of strings and k, and you want to return the kth distinct string in the array, and if there aren't enough then just return nothing. So in this the only distinct strings are D and A, so D is the first and A is the second, so you return A. And the second one, they're all distinct, so you just return the first one. And in the third one, there's only one distinct string, and k is 3, so you just return nothing. So for all these like easy, distinct, like count the number of distinct elements, whatever, all you have to do is just use either a hash set or a hash map. So we can just run through this guy and just get a count of every single string. And then whenever we get to a string that's distinct, we can just check the value of k, and and then we can just decrement the value of k. So if k is 1, for example, whenever we run into the first one, we'll return that. And if k is bigger, anytime we run into something and k is bigger, we can just decrement k. And then once k is 0 or 1 or whatever you want to check, then we can just return it. So that one's pretty easy, so let's just code that. Okay. Whoops. Okay. So we can just get a basic hash map of counts. So we're gonna run through all the array or all the strings and get a count of each. So and then we'll just increment, and then we need to run through one more time, and for every distinct string we just need to check the value of k, and when it's the right one we just return. So if counts get k, or not k, s equals 0 or 1, that means it's distinct, so we can just decrement k. And like, let's say k is 1. If this was the first one, then k would be 0. So you would just need to check for k is 0. So if k equals 0, then this is the right one. So we just return the string. And we might loop through this and we don't have enough distinct strings. So in that case, we can just have a default return. I think they just want you to return nothing. So we can just return nothing. Okay. And there we go. So pretty easy. So yeah, for all these like find duplicate, find first duplicate, whatever it is, it's literally just use a hash set or a hash map, depending on which one you want. And the reason that hash map is easier here than a hash set is because we can just use one data structure with a count, and then that way we can differentiate duplicates from uniques. If it was like find the first duplicate or something, then you could use a hash set, but because we want to actually know how many we have, then using a hash map is easier. So this is pretty, so this is just this, and we use a hash map. So not much there. And yeah, I did skip the weekly contest and bi-weekly contests this week. I had a lot to do. Also, they kind of took a while, I think. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing them in the future. I'll think about it, because like not many people watch them. If you do have like a specific one you want me to do, a specific problem, you can just write in the comments and I can do that. Maybe I'll do that. So I'll probably like do them myself, but making the videos is not super great. And yeah, so that's gonna be all for this one. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.